Hi, my name is Rexy and welcome to another episode of our farm lot for sale. We have something very special in store for you in today's vlog. If you're looking for a farm lot with natural river with spectacular sunrise at 5 a.m. and where you can do outdoor activities, we just want to share this farm lot and we want you to experience the calmness and beauty of this place. So now, it's time to invest in this property.
I can see you got feelings you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Slide on me, always living in the morning before I speak. What's love gotta do with? Baby, start outside. I'll always slide your way, and it's cold.
This property has a total lot size of 14 hectares with minimum cut of 1 hectare.
I'm not gonna be like everybody wants.
Now, let me show you the access road going to the property. And please stay tuned for the lot size and the price for this farm lot with river for sale.
Can you see the light in the sky? Oh, that is my little gift for your life. Many times when I close my eyes, I hope.
What's the great news? The construction of a new road in Botolan Zambales to Capas Tarlac is ongoing. So the travel time to Manila to Botolan Zambales will be reduced to only 2 hours. If you're interested in this property, please leave a comment or you may call this number. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!
I can see